Mr. AB has been in Ortho-K for quite a number of years, and he'd like to share his experiences with the rest with regard to how Ortho-K has impacted or changed his life.
Well, Dr. Moshe, I think one of the best things that has ever happened is getting to know about Ortho-K. It has made a lot of difference in my life because, you know, leaves me free for swimming, driving. Sometimes you're tired, you just want to dive on the bed, and then you do that and you find your specs are broken, you know. So it gives us freedom the way nature intended it to be. And I have never been a fan of LASIK, and I never will be, because number one, it says it's 100%, 99% safe. Okay, fine. What if you're in that 1% and you lose your sight? So you don't want to risk it. Plus, whoever has done LASIK in my life, and there are plenty in my age, they all after 2-3 years have to go again and wear some specs again. So with Ortho-K, it's amazing how Dr. Moshe has been able to give me 20/10 vision at times. And I just, like I said, I mean, if he was a guy, I mean, not a guy, a girl, I would have hugged him. I'm so grateful and so happy, and every time in the evening when I see so clear, I always remember him. I've said that once, not once, but many times. So I think anybody, especially for children, the other advantage I've noticed it, I had gone to -6, but once because of some other thing, I couldn't wear the lenses for 45 days, and when I came back, I hadn't crossed -3. So now my daughter's been using it, and from the day she started till today, her power has not increased. So what I have seen in practical terms is that not only does it allow you to see 20/20 without any surgery or anything, but it also holds your power at the level where you begin. So I think it's really amazing.
How has it impacted your ability to work on the computer?
Well, as you grow older, we know after 40 everybody needs close vision glasses. So I was fine till about 40. I didn't need anything close, but after that I do use some, I think it's +1 or +1.5, and that's been steady since, I'm now 55, but it's been steady since 40, same thing.
Great.
So it really helps.
So driving, watching TV, going to the movies, going to sports, what do you notice?
It's a pleasure, really. You know, with the specs, sometimes they keep sliding up and down, so you're pushing them back, and I mean, it's just how nature intended you to be. It's really awesome, you know. Everything is perfect. I would recommend this to anybody, especially children. I've seen here children, they start at the age of 5, and I would say the sooner you can, the better, because it will stop the child's vision from deteriorating and beyond that, and I think it's an amazing thing.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. Thank you.
And one of the other greatest pleasure is when you get up in the morning, you're not doing like this to see what the time is. You can see the time right away, and also at night, you know, it's really helpful. Earlier I used to bump into different doors or walls at times at night, because when it's dark and you're -6, you're practically blind. But with these, it's really been amazing, truly an amazing thing.
Thank you so much.
Yes.